Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to join a broadcast channel on Instagram, step-by-step guide for following and notifications. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Step 2. Now search for the creator, influencer or brand whose broadcast channel you want to join. Step 3. Open their profile and tap on their broadcast channel link if it is available. Step 4. Now tap Join Broadcast Channel. Step 5. Once joined, you will start receiving messages, updates, polls, and announcements from the channel creator. Step 6. If prompted, choose your notification preferences. All notifications to receive alerts for every message. Some notifications to receive limited alerts. Off to stay in the channel without any notifications. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.